Hi beautiful people, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going to St. Andrew to Mount Carmel Waterfall and we'll bring you along. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. Yes, so we're passing on St. David's side, which is the east side of Grenada, to get to Mount Carmel Fall, which is in St. Andrew. So here we were in La Sagesse, St. David. And here we're about to enter St. Andrew. The sign is the blue sign to the left. The scenic views, the scenic views. And we are coming up on the entrance to the waterfall right now. It's the road to the left. At this junction right here, the road going to the left. So we came from over there. This is the sign here from Mount Carmel. And the falls is in the back this way. A nice little view over there. And this is the sign right here. Then we headed to the waterfall. Just wake up.
That is it. Enjoy.
Yeah, so I feel like it's been forever since I brought you guys on a little hike. Even though Mount Carmel is not much of a hike, I think it takes maybe about 10 minutes walk to the fall, but it's exciting to be walking through nature again. Let's go. Some flowers here. They're pretty, right? Some over there. And that's the path. It's been a minute. And we're coming up on a little bridge right here. We'll just cross that little bridge. And we're coming up on a very small hill now. There's the Grenada flag waving. So if you're holding the flag. Still a bit tired.
You're repping the flag. You're repping the flag.
Yes, we're repping the flag. Still a bit tired. He was sleeping in the vehicle. That's a little hill right here. Coming up on a nice clear area here. It's beautiful, right? Countryside is just perfect for living. I grew up in the country. I grew up in Marin and Guelph, so this feels like home to me. Because I grew up around nature, around trees, the river, the bay, you know. And we'll be at the falls soon. We'll be at the falls soon. A little drop here, but you'll see the beautiful falls soon. Let's head this way. Wow, so beautiful. Camera's not doing it justice, right? I feel like they're walking through the Garden of Eden. So beautiful here.
Nice big pool.
And Zeffy? Go to daddy. Go to daddy, Zeffy.
Alright.
Yeah, so there's a lot of people by the big fall, so baby boy and I, we're just in a shallow area here, enjoying the river water.
Huh?
Oh, it's cool. Oh, it's cool.
Bring the leaf to daddy. Take your time. Zeffy, where goes Zeffy? Zeffy! Careful. Careful, Zeffy.
It's
Cool. Up.
Zeffy, splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. One, two, three, step. Oh no. The falls. Listen to the sound of the water. Therapeutic, right? Come into the river is always such a good steps, right? You can just feel rejuvenated and ready to face the week ahead.
Let me say bye-bye to Stephanie and the team.
I need to know about Stephanie.
You're going to do back in the water. Alright. Thanks for coming, man.
Ciao. You got it? You found it?
You see, if adults only be like two.
Careful, Zeffy.
Stop and look.
Yes, so we're leaving the beautiful Mount Carmel Waterfall now. It was fun, even though we were in the shallow area with the children. It was still a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And remember to subscribe for more videos. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.